O dahil na-technical sila, ano na naman ang ginawa? Diba? Gumawa na naman ng isang justification. Yung magaling na abogada, anong pangalan na doon? O whatever. Meron silang nasa Appropriations Committee, pinag-uusapan nila yung budget ng Vice, ang budget ng Secretary of Education. Computerization na tayo. O, nag-manifest ngayon yung abogada. Madam Chair, may I manifest that we undertake a separate committee hearing on the matter. Manifestation lang, ha? Alam mo, ginawa ng Appropriations Committee, hindi ko alam, paano mo i-repair? Hindi naman ikaw ang majority leader. Only the Committee on Rules can do that. Yung manifestation na yun, bigla na lang kinuha ng Committee on Good Government. On the strength of a simple manifestation, hindi ko alam kung gano'n kalakas ang manifestation. I do not know how spectacular is that manifestation. Ginamit ngayon ng good government as a material motu proprio. Alam po niyo yung motu proprio? Motu proprio is something that you initiate by yourself alone, without the request of any other party. Hindi po motu proprio because it came from a manifestation. Pero ginamit nila para lang ma-justify nila yung pagtawag nila sa Vice President. This is how they did it. Ako po, I think that was 17th Congress. I delivered a full speech also on the Department of Education describing the corruption within the department involving about 3 billion pesos covering a period of 3 years based on the annual audit, special audit of the Commission on Audit. Alam ba ninyo yung speech ko rin? Hindi man lang na-repair. It was a full speech. I took the liberty of asking them that they should include it among the subject matter of the discussion. Ayaw na dyan. Hindi raw pwede. Pero yung manifestation pwede. Kung sinong nag-repair, hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari. This is how they do this now. And then when I raised the constitutional issue, Mr. Chair, before we continue, may I ask you whether it is right for this committee to usurp the function of the Commission. Kasi po tayo nag-uod. The last time I checked, it is only the COA which has the exclusive mandate and authority to examine and audit all papers and reports with respect to the expenses. Kasi po ba po baka tayo nagkakamali rito. We cannot usurp that mandate exclusively repose in another agency of government. It is an independent and constitutional body. Hindi niya masagot ngayon, nagpipilit na namang sumagot na naman ang patuan. So nagsuspend siya. Kasi ayaw. Huwag ka magsasa, hindi ka kung ikaw ang tinatanong ko, palagi na lang kayo gumaganyan. So pinuntahan ko po sila. Mr. Chair, sana naman ka ako pagkaganito ng usapan na seryoso. I am raising a constitutional issue. Huwag mo naman ako uso. Pinali ko sa kanila. Nung lumapit ako sa kanila, bakit ang pinasasagot ko itong inutil na ito? Ginawa mo sa mga. Huwag tayo magkakuhan. O sige, ako nang sagot. Wala namang sagot. Walang sagot. Alam pa niyo yung ginawa nila, I have requested that my name be listed on the list of interpellators at 10 o'clock in the morning. Sabi nung bumalik ang staff ko, Sir, hindi raw po pwede na makapag-interpolate kayo because you were no longer a member of this. Okay. Sige. Upo ko na lang. I will raise that matter. So, nung magkaroon ako ng tempo, Mr. Chair, what is the basis of that decision of your COMSEC that I cannot include it in your list of interpreters? You give me please the legal basis for that. Wala siguro siyang legal basis. Sabi ng chairman, don't you worry, Congressman Marcolita. Kung hindi ka pa makikip, okay na ako. Pero alam niyo kung kailan nila ako binigyan ng pagkakataon. I was there at 10 a.m. Pinagsalita, nagkaroon po ako ng pagkakataon magsalita 11 a.m. PM. Ang ginaw-ginaw po doon sa lugar na yun. Kaya po, siguro gusto nilang mag-yelo muna kasi alam nila medyo mahina. Kumuha pa ako ng jacket na makapal. So, hindi nila masagot ang tinanong ko yung COA. Sabi ko sa COA, do you think it is correct for you to delegate that authority that was already delegated? Baka hindi mo alam ang principle of law that was delegated to you. No longer. Sabi nung COA representative, sir, kasi po meron po kasing power of the purse na Congress. Ang pinag-uusapan natin ka yung tanong ko kung pwede kang mag-delegate ng ginagawa mo sa isang agency of government. Hindi natin pinag-uusapan ang power of the purse. Kasi po may sinabi na po kami. So what kung sinabi na ka? Bakit hindi ka sumagot sa kanila? I'm sorry, sir. Ito po kasing confidential funds na hinihingi niyo po sa amin itong mga papel na ito, initial findings pa lang po namin ito. Wala pong finality pa rito. Nag-audit pa lang kami. And whatever happens here will still be contestable. Can still be available. Kaya wala po, premature po na hihingi po kayo sa amin. You could have argued that. Bakit hindi nyo ginawa? Katalang po ba nyo nangyari? And I learned later. It was only the chairman of COA who decided to give all the papers. COA is a collegial body. It was not even taken up in the commission process. Ganito po ang gawain ngayon. So, walang nakasagot. Ito ngayon, sabi ko sa inyo o yan, pasimula ninyo inquiry in aid of legislation, the subcommittee on bad government. But you are only mining evidence na akala niyo magagamit niyo because you're working on an impeachment. Di ba tama na nangyari? Hindi isa, hindi dalawa, apat na yata. Malay natin. Bigla na lang sila makakakuha ng 106 signatures. That's possible. Miracles can happen. Sa dami ng kanilang mga pera. Nakap dito, nakap. Baka mo lang ng baterya kasi sa record mo lang. Manuntuwa ka ng kare-record sa. Yun po. Kaya nawalan na ako ng gana sa House of Representatives. Saka sakali magkaswerte ako. Ito sa kabilang. Sinabi yata. Kaya lang baka gusto nyo may gawa ng pelikula. Kahit kontrabida lang naman. Para lang makasiguro tayo, makarating tayo. Yun po. Salamat po sa pagkakataon. Pinilibisan mo. Ito ba rin kayo makilala? Sapagkat alam ko po mga parallel group leaders po. Marami po kayong natulungan lalo-lalo na ang ating Vice President. At alam ko po kayong lahat ay nabudol.
Yes, budol!
Huwag na kayong mahiya. Tanggapin na po ninyo. Tapos po. Talaga pong ganyan ang bumabalik. So, sumobra na po ako kasi meron po ako lahat. Kaya magpapaalam na po ako sa inyo. Sana may pagtagumpay natin ang layunin natin. Para sa ating bansa. Salamat po ang ating bansa. Let us fight. Let us fight together. Wonderful day. Thank you.
Sunday ka.